xxxx, welcome to today's video. As you might be able to tell from behind me, I am at the airport. I'm at Birmingham International Airport and the time is currently 3:30 in the morning. Our flight isn't until 6 o'clock and I'm flying to Amsterdam tomorrow morning, technically. Well, no, technically today. I'm tired, okay? I've not had any sleep yet. I'm here with my friends Robin and Karis, and basically the reason why we're flying out is because we're going to Utrecht. As some of you that will know me or watch any of my videos will know, I moved to Leicester in September to do a performing arts course. As part of that course, some of us are flying out to Utrecht to do the Spring Performance Festival. So we're going to Amsterdam, going to explore a bit of Amsterdam before then travelling on to Utrecht. I won't be able to film some of the actual festival, like the work, the performances and the workshops, but I'm going to film kind of in and around bits and pieces. So yeah, yay, I'm hungry, I want food. So just went over to this little Pret over here and I got a, what was it called? I don't even remember what it was called. It was like a vegan hummus and crunchy salad wrap. I got a bottle of water for the plane and a soya latte. Yum. Also, forgot to say, but that Pret does vegan chocolate cookies. Yes! You excited? Now boarding the plane! We have arrived in Amsterdam. As you can tell by the way I look, I am absolutely knackered. I mean, look at me, I look disgusting. I am so tired. I have officially been awake for 24 hours. We are finally here, and look! It looks so cool. That was literally the shortest flight I have ever done. We were in the air for about 45 to 50 minutes, literally felt like 20 minutes, and now we're here and I'm ridiculously tired, but I'm ready to explore. We'll see how long that lasts before I then decide I want to crash out. I mean, that's what you always see when you come to McDonald's, isn't it? So we've come all the way to Amsterdam, and where are we going? Primark. Basically, we don't really know what we're doing. We're just gonna have a little wander around. I want to see if I can find something to eat, and then we're gonna see if we can wander down to the Anne Frank house. We won't be able to get in because obviously it sells out like so far in advance. I know. But we just want to go down and have a look and take a picture, all that kind of stuff. So we've stumbled across a 5-storey Primark. What? Look at all the escalators. There are so many.
Nice. Yep.
Hi chicks and chucks.
Hi chicks and chucks.
Hi guys. It's us, Tash. And we're gonna be showing you
Utrecht.
yes. And what we've just bought from the supermarket.
What we got? We've got Ciroc over here. Love a bit of Ciroc.
Yeah. McDonald's.
I'm being really
Bit of Ciroc.
Ciroc is like a really expensive vodka, but that's just a bottle of water.
Hi Joy. Say hello.
Got my red goofy left in the background.
Hello. Say chicks and chucks.
Hi chicks and chucks.
Hi chicks and chucks.
Hi chucks and chicks. Oh, fucking shut now.
Hi chucks and chicks. Yes. Don't give it up. Thanks. I feel famous now.
Yeah, oh my god.
I love you watching your YouTube channel. Thanks, Tash.
Thanks. We're in the theatre, we're about to see a performance called Anti-Gravity by Chucky Boo. We have just completed a workshop and now we're just outside enjoying the sun. We've got one performance to watch this afternoon and then, is that it? We've just got one more performance to watch today.
Hi guys, hi Tasha's Snapchat, YouTube channel. What's good?
Everybody subscribe to Tash.
Everybody
Yes.
must, it's a must.
Do that.
You have to. Oh.
Hi guys.
That's pretty much all we're doing. We're just gonna go grab a bite to eat, enjoy the sun, and then we're gonna go watch a performance. Queue for the ice cream. It goes all the way up the street here, all the way up there. It's day, wait, it's not day 2, it's the second to last day and we're on our way to go see a performance. And then we've got another performance this evening.
I'm about to get rid of it. The boss? 200 euros.
What? I'm so confused.
It came to about that, 200 euros.
No, did it actually? For all of us?
Yeah, we owe her a fiver.
Yeah.
€5.
Looks like a building construction, but it's actually not. It is actually an
art installation. I can't remember the name of the guy who created it, but basically it's meant to look like these people are building something. All of these builders are not actually builders, they're all actors. There are these guys here that are wheeling these pipes back and forth. They're not actually doing anything with them, it's just part of their performance. Everything that they are doing is choreographed. They are using some of the machines, the crane, like the diggers and things like that. They're all being used, but it's all being choreographed. There is also this guy here who is sat on this large like concrete tube thing, and he will just sit there really still for ages. As soon as he gets up and moves, somebody else takes his place. I'm looking at this from inside my hotel, out the window, but you can actually go into these little like porta cabin things, and it's got some more information in there. And there is also little mini models of what they are supposed to be building, which obviously they won't ever actually build, and it's actually just really interesting. So if you weren't paying any attention, if you were just walking straight down the street, you would just assume that this is just a building site, like building construction, but it's not, it's all art.
It's the last day!
I'm too tall for this.
Hi, chicks and chucks.
Hey chicks and chucks. It's the last day, so we're just
How many
doing
vlogs have you
some
done?
souvenir shopping before we then go home. Got me case. There it is. Don't forget that.
You're fucking weird.
Oh
Tiny
wow.
gowns.
Look at this.
Over.
Oh. We've come to the conclusion that Stroop might...
We didn't come to the
Did you
conclusion.
see that? I went like this.
I'd be a right candidate of you.
I can't even say it anymore. We've just walked into this lint shop and look, the entire store
You're full of
is just filled with loads and loads of lint chocolate. This
Surprise,
is amazing.
This is a lint store, parents. This is what one
Look at
looks
this.
like. We've been to
Caramel. Look at this.